Experienced home sellers see results. How do experienced home sellers see results? It takes a team and a proven process to consistently deliver superior results. Our marketing and PR team is focused on generating a huge list of potential buyers. In fact, our database has thousands of registered buyers at any given time. What does this mean to you? We know how buyers think, research, and act when searching for a home online. As a result, our team can promote your home immediately to a huge list of potential buyers with our Best Buyer Match system. Better yet, our team knows how to prepare your property so that it will stand out online and make buyers take the next step to schedule a showing. That's why our marketing and PR team will review all photos and descriptions of your home to ensure your home pops online and in person. In addition, they will ensure that the video and virtual tour quality is top-notch. Having a marketing and PR team behind your expert advisor sets you up to succeed. With a team, your area expert can focus on managing the details, following up on showings, and getting your home sold. If at any point you would like to contact us or find out more about our programs, simply click Area Expert below, and we'll be happy to give you all the no-obligation details. To learn more about how you can have an entire team for the price of a single agent, contact us today.